Hello everyone, in this video we are just going to demonstrate DC and AC voltmeter in Proteus 9 professional software. Let's get started. So this is a Proteus 9 professional series. So this series is dedicated for Proteus simulation software, and in this particular video we are just going to demonstrate the DC and AC voltmeter, that is the direct current or the alternate current voltmeter that is already available in Proteus instruments cluster, and we are just going to learn how you can utilize them for measuring the voltages across your circuit. So on the screen you can clearly see I have built a simple LED series circuit made by yellow LEDs, and I have a series 220 ohms resistor connected to a 9 volt battery, that is a DC source. And now I am just going to pick a DC voltmeter, that is the direct current voltmeter that is already available in the instruments cluster of Proteus software. You can just select that particular instrument by clicking on the instruments icon right over here in the left vertical plane. Just click on this particular virtual instruments mode icon, and in the virtual instruments mode icon you can see this particular DC voltmeter. Just make a left click on the DC voltmeter and now come to the schematic layer and make a left click, and you can see this is the DC voltmeter layout. Just place wherever you want in your circuit, and as usual you just need to connect the voltmeter across the circuit, and ammeter must be connected in series with the circuit for measuring the current. So that is usual thing that we will be doing. That is you just need to connect one terminal of the voltmeter at one end, and negative terminal must be grounded. So that is common for voltmeter. Just remember that. You can see I'm just grounding all the voltmeter negative terminal, and I'm just going to connect the positive terminal of the voltmeter to the points wherever I need to measure the voltages in my circuit. That's it. Now for changing the parameter of the voltmeter, just double click on the voltmeter or right click and select edit properties. You can just directly change the volts or millivolts or kilovolts or microvolts by directly clicking on this particular drop down, that is the display range drop down. I just want volts and just selecting that. If you want a different thing, or if you are measuring the voltages in millivolts or microvolts or in kilovolts, you can just change that. Now I am just keeping it as volts and clicking on OK. Now I'm just running the simulation by clicking on the run icon in the left bottom corner of the window, and you can see in the respective locations the voltages are displayed. So this is how you can use the DC voltmeter in Proteus for measuring the voltages at different points across your circuit that you have built in this layout. And now let's move to the AC voltmeter. So this is an alternator which will actually generate alternating current. This is a 1:1 transformer. What I will do is I will just pick a AC voltmeter in the instruments mode tab, and I am going to place and connect it across this particular alternator, and also after the transformer. Now when I run the simulation, you can see the alternating current voltage is displayed in the voltmeter. It is directly measured across the alternator, and this particular alternator this particular end of the transformer voltage is displayed right over here. Since this is a 1:1 transformer, it is showing the same voltage before and after the transformer. And similarly you can use this particular AC voltmeter in Proteus for measuring alternating current voltages across the circuit. And when I open the edit components properties tab of that particular AC voltmeter, you will be able to change similarly the volts display range to kilovolts, millivolts, microvolts. You will be able to change this by clicking on this particular drop down, or you can also change the load resistance and the time constant, that is the refresh rate of the voltmeter, and that's it. So this is how you can use a DC voltmeter and AC voltmeter in Proteus instruments cluster for measuring the voltages at any points as per your wish across the circuit. I hope you learned how to use the DC and AC voltmeter in Proteus in this particular video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.